Hello and welcome to the Billionaire Journey podcast. If this is the first time you're joining us, congratulations. If you are a repeat listener, well, we really appreciate you for coming back. Today we want to look at how to make money on YouTube. And in this episode, we'll be discussing some of the ways that you can use the popular video sharing platform that is YouTube to earn extra cash for yourself. And for some people, this is actually has become their main source of income. Anyways, let's get to talk about it. First, let's talk about what YouTube is and how it works. I know a lot of people out there know what YouTube is, but not many people actually know what YouTube is as well. YouTube is a website that allows users to upload video or watch video. They can as well share the video from that platform. I know a lot of people will know about YouTube, but basically that's YouTube. So YouTube was created in 2015 and it has since become one of the largest and most popular websites in the world with more than 2 billion monthly users. You see how incredible YouTube is? There are actually several ways that you can make money on YouTube, right? One of the most common actually is through advertising. When you create a YouTube channel, you can enable ads on your videos, which will generate revenue every time someone watches them. Now, it doesn't just work as easy as I mentioned, right? Now, you see, before you can make money on YouTube with advertising, especially with what we call Google AdSense or ad revenue that you share with YouTube, you have to first own a channel. So you don't just go there and watch videos. Now we're talking about the creators here. So you have to create a channel. A channel is basically where you'll be posting your videos, right? So you post quality content. All right. So when you post this quality content, then your YouTube begin to grow. Now you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch view before you can make money. You can even apply to the YouTube Partner Program and get accepted. Now, if you want to know more about the YouTube Partner Program, just go to one of our previous episode where I share my YouTube Partner Program journey and how I got accepted. All right, so you could learn more about that. All right, so you can also earn money through sponsored content. All right, so this is a situation where companies get to pay you to feature their product or service in your video. Okay, so another way to make money on YouTube is through merchandise sales. Many creators have their own branded merchandise, such as T-shirts and hearts, that they actually sell to their fans. You can also sell digital products such as ebook or courses through your channel. For example, on my own channel, I sell, my own products like digital products like ebooks and courses, right? So basically how you do that is, you could create a content that is so useful, and then at the end of that content, you now, sell your course. For example, let's say I have a course on YouTube, maybe step-by-step course on YouTube that can help you. At the end of this podcast, all I need to do is just introduce you to that course. You understand? So the same way with YouTube channel. All right. So another way, right, which is more like the final thing we're going to discuss today, by which you can make money with YouTube is to actually promote your own business or service or other people's, business. For example, if you're a musician, you can use YouTube to share your music and gain new fans, which can lead to more concert bookings and albums or album sales. Or let's say you are a comedian, you could keep producing content on comedy, and then from there somebody could invite you to a show, or maybe you're a stand-up comedian, and you keep blowing that way. The other part is affiliate marketing, that is selling other people's products or services. So let's say that you don't have time to create your own product, or you don't have a product yet. So you can register on platforms like ClickBank, on JVZoo, on Commission Junction, and so on and so forth. And then, you get their products when you are accepted, and one of the most popular platforms, is Amazon associate, right? Amazon affiliate. So you can just search for Amazon affiliate and you're going to see that. So you just get those products, and then you talk about this product in the form of a review, or and then you put the link to the product in your description, and you tell people to visit the website to get those products. And so when you make a sale, or when somebody buys through your link, you get commission depending on the percentage that that is on the platform, or that the product actually offers. This is something that I do a lot, and it has helped me to make money on YouTube. So don't depend just on the YouTube AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. These are other ways by which you can make money with YouTube. So in conclusion, YouTube is a great platform for any money, whether you are a small creator just starting out, or a large company looking to expand your reach. By using ads, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and other strategies like affiliate marketing that we have shared, you can turn your channel into a profitable venture. All right. I hope you got value today. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the Billionaire Journey podcast. Please head over to the Billionaire Journey podcast. Subscribe across the platform, whatever platform you're listening to us right now. Subscribe and leave a review. We want to hear from you. And when you leave a review, it helps us to reach more people, and it encourages us to do more. And please go to thebillionairejourney.com, and subscribe to our newsletter. We look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you so much, and bye for now.